Hello and welcome back to video 3 of this week's Art Therapy and Meditation class brought to you by LEXSA Student Association. In this video, you will be following a guided process for which you can sit in your chair with your eyes closed, or you can lie down in your bed or on your yoga mat. However, before we begin, I would like you to reflect on one problem that you encounter in your life right now. This could be a health-related topic or financial topic, or an issue relating to confidence levels, body image, or conflict in relationships with partners, family members, co-workers, or friends. Whichever this issue is, just think about what the opposite of this problem would be. For someone who has a lot of arguments with their life partner, for instance, an opposite could be experiencing harmony and joy in relationships. Or for somebody who has money worries, it could be experiencing a feeling of abundance and financial ease. And for someone who has a health-related problem, this would be seeing that body part or the area of the body in a thriving and healthy way. Quite often we are so focused on the things in our life that are not working. And so we forget to specify what is on the opposite end of the problem, and also what is needed to make the journey and the inner adjustment from where we are to where we want to go. And before we start our guided process, I would like you just to bring the opposite of your problem to light and notice how this opposite feels, how the energy of this opposite feels to you when you say it out loud. So it could be harmony and joy in relationships, or a healthy, thriving body, or abundance and financial ease, whichever your opposite is. And I'm asking you now to breathe the energy of this opposite into your body. So breathe in the energy of the opposite. And also breathe out the same energy. So we're breathing in health and breathing out health. We're breathing in harmony and we're breathing out harmony. And we're breathing in abundance and we're breathing out abundance. And now just do that again for your particular opposite. Breathing in and breathing out. Wonderful. And now you can make yourself comfortable. And if you're cold, cover yourself with a blanket. And we will start by using a really useful relaxation tool, which is making ourselves invisible. And we will start by closing our eyes and imagining that our head is invisible, as if it had once been chopped off and is no longer there, leaving us completely headless. And we are also making our neck invisible, our arms, our hands, erasing our shoulders, our upper body, our spine, our stomach, our lower torso, our hips, genitals, upper legs, knees, lower legs, our ankles, feet, and toes, making our entire body invisible, as if we are no longer here. And with our own disappearance, the world around us also disappears, becomes invisible. The people disappear. The trees and animals disappear, all the plants. buildings, roads, fields, the rocks and mountains, valleys, beaches, rivers, oceans, and all the continents disappear. And this whole planet disappears altogether. And with its disappearance, we are surrounded by bright light. Nothing is left except us as invisible beings and a clear space of white light. And now imagine that you are given the chance to create a world only for you. A world in which you do not need to cater to anyone else's needs or requests. That this world would be uniquely designed by you for your enjoyment alone. This world could be anything you'd like it to be. It could be magical, it could defy the laws of gravity and reality as we have previously known it. And ask yourself, how would you design such a world? How would it look like? What kind of a place would it be? Would there be any plant life? Would there be any animals or magical creatures? And what kind of food would there be? What kind of colors would you see? And what kind of sounds could you hear? How would it feel to touch this world? And who would you be at this place? Would you be a magical being? Would you be an animal? And how would you dress? And what would you do at such a place? How would you spend your days? And how would you feel at such a place? And who would you like to be there with you? What would bring you the most joy in this world? Where would you sleep? Give yourself the permission to design this world exactly as you like it. What are the features of this world you enjoy the most? What is your favorite thing to do? Where's your favorite place? And what is your favorite thing about you in this world? Where are the boundaries of this world? How big is it? And however big this world is, see if you can shrink this world around you until you can hold it in your hand, holding your entire world in your hand. And now place this world that you hold in your hand into your heart, placing your hands over your heart chakra in the middle of your chest. And just spend a few moments connecting with your heart space. Simply tuning in. And begin to breathe into your heart space, expanding the space with every in-breath and relaxing your heart space with every out-breath. And as you're breathing into your heart space, breathe in energy and vitality into this heart space, vitalizing your entire body. And again, energizing your heart space with your in-breath, breathing in and breathing out. And again, breathing in and breathing out. And one last time, soaking in oxygen and breathing out. And we will breathe in one more time. This time, breathing in vitality into our eyes. And on our out breath, opening our eyes as much as is easily possible. Breathing vitality in to our eye area. Breathing in now. And opening our eyes as much as possible on the out breath. And again, breathing in. And opening our eyes with the out breath. Beautiful. And if you feel like it, you can gently just massage around your eyes, just vitalizing your eye area. Yeah. And also giving your arms a good stretch all around, moving your head and your neck spine, and wiggling your toes and fingers, just coming back to this present moment, maybe rubbing your hands together and taking another energizing breath, now with your eyes open, breathing in vitality and breathing out. Wonderful. Okay. For those of you who would like to do an art therapy exercise, you can draw the world that you have just envisioned on paper with colored pens, crayons, or watercolor on A4 or A3, inventing a world that is completely on your own terms, and exploring how such a world would feel to you. And for everyone else, I will see you again next week, either online or on campus. Hopefully we will see each other again in person. And I hope you take good care until then. And this concludes our class for this week. Please keep up to date with LEXSA Student Association to find out about the upcoming classes. And I hope you will have a very, very beautiful day. And I look forward to seeing you in person. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Take good care. Bye-bye.